Welcome to Professor Chen's Learning Channel. Take a look at, this is maybe the eyebrows over here. Take a look. And this is the upper eyelid. You see the whole eye over here? Especially the upper eyelid. It looks just, I'm going to make it a little bit lower, like that, right here. You see the eye? Look at the shape. Look like a fish. You see that? And you can continue further to compare the height and the width of the eye. So that make sure that the eye is not too wide, or too big, or too narrow, too small. And also, by looking at his eye, the upper eyelid, very much the same height. Can you see that? The same height as the eye. Can you see that? This very much the same as that, or even more. If you look close up, even more. Can you see it? Like that. Come to close to the front over here, and then also from the eyebrow to here, it goes from here to here, and from here to the bottom of the eye. And then the lower eyelid is only half of this. So all those are measuring proportion. Everything you already know what to do, how to do it, right? Just the same as drawing an apple. Now I'm going to look at the shadow side. You see the shadow side over here? And the shadow side over here? Look at that. Now we create the illusion of the form of the eye. Can you see that? And the lower eyelid, like that. And can you see? Now it looks like this is a ball shape. That's just very important. He has a very deep eye. So that means you can have shadow. Can you see the shadow inside the eye over here? And then you just put the iris right over here. And then this much also in the shadow. Darker. And the eyelashes. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. And in the middle have the pupil. Okay, now come back over here. Give a little bit darker over here, like that, and then give a little bit suggestions for the hair of the eyebrow. With the eyelashes, create the cast shadow. You can make it even more look real. So you see that the eyelashes cast the shadow on the lower eyelid, like that. And you can use the eraser, you see, that's a little bit light. Spend a few more minutes, it will look more like his eye.